Good evening. This is Mark Condor with the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Lubbock, Texas. And here is a short weather briefing that we have prepared to cover the severe weather potential across the South Plains area on Wednesday, April 23rd. This slide shows the general weather conditions that we are expecting on Wednesday. Aloft, an upper level storm system will be moving east across the South Plains area. At the surface, a dry line will develop, likely to the west of Interstate 27 in the morning hours, and then it should move east during the afternoon hours, likely east of Interstate 27 near the edge of the caprock, although there is some uncertainty exactly where this dry line will be located, and we have highlighted in this image just the most likely scenario. Along and to the east of the dry line, we do expect some thunderstorms to develop during the afternoon hours. These may develop first across the northern areas, such as in the eastern Texas Panhandle down into the northern rolling plains, and then spread south through the afternoon and into the evening. We do have an image of precipitation generated by a computer model on this map, and this shows the most likely area of precipitation running from the eastern Texas Panhandle down to about Dickens and King counties, although it's certainly not out of the question that some more storms could develop to the further on to the south. This activity is just expected to be more isolated. Finally, to the west of the dry line, we expect very warm, dry, and breezy conditions, and this will result in a high fire danger, and the most critical conditions are expected to develop out near the Texas and New Mexico state line.
This is Felicia Bowser, meteorologist at the National Weather Service in Lubbock, and I will continue in the discussions of the severe weather potential. This is an image of the Storm Prediction Center's severe weather threat. The threat extends to I-27, so areas on the caprock cannot be ruled out. Farther north and east is the area with the highest severe weather threat potential, which is maximized over the Childress area. By late afternoon, the humidity will be lower than what is typically expected for tornado development, though we cannot rule out a slim chance for an isolated, brief tornado. Furthermore, landspouts are possible during the initial storm development. The primary threats for this event are very large hail, up to the size of baseballs, and wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. There are several things that could be done in preparation for severe weather. What you need to do is know the forecast and keep informed with the latest forecast and information by going to our website, such as weather.gov/Lubbock, or going to your favorite media outlet. Make sure you do have a way of receiving severe weather watches and severe weather warnings. The internet, television, radio, and mobile devices are great ways to receive information, but a weather radio with a battery backup is the most reliable method. The differences between a watch and warning are pretty simple. A watch is a dangerous weather is possible within a couple of hours but is not occurring. A warning is when dangerous weather is occurring, so you should move indoors and seek additional shelter. We thank you for listening to this severe weather presentation, and make sure to check back on our website and other outlets to stay informed. Thank you.